I listen that teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing the first two loves together. And yes, I practically felt the same. After so long, we all have gathered here and we all entered into next classes. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary. There is no elevator to success. We have to take the stairs. The first day of the new session is the day when countdown to the last day of the school begins. Last year, we all were at home secure and safe. Welcome to all of you to the new session and to the next new classes. As we all know that school had shut last March when the pandemic struck. Since last April to this March, we have completed one cycle. We are about to start another cycle, means new academic session 2021 to 2022, which is going to start from 1st April. This session will be new chance for us to rebuild what we want. Let me congratulate to all of us for the progress and on completing one cycle. And many congratulations to those who have kept ranks and improved their grades or performances. If some of us have not improved their performance, then we need to introspect and buckle up. Someone said that it is never too late to start moving upwards. And academic session 2021 to 2022 is a new beginning and definitely things will change. Our respected teachers are the most unsung heroes. They don't just teach us but prepare us for the road ahead in life. Thank you to all of our respected teachers and best wishes to all my juniors and seniors. Thank you to all of you.